Oh, bad Abby. Nobody cares. Oh, bad.
Yeah?
I'll sleep. Oh, baby. Hey. I'm drinking on her. It's on the bed.
You gonna sleep there?
Man,
Why? Where's the bed?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go to bed, Mom.
Go do the money dance.
Oh, fag.
Hey, you wanna go outside? Driving out outside.
Yeah. Bailey, you wanna go out?
Oh. Oh, bed.
Wanna go outside?
Oh, bed.
I think she wants us a treat.
Oh,
Yeah, she
bed.
does.
Oh, bed.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
No.
Did you?
Yeah.
When?
When I was home.
Baloney.
Oh, bed.
Yeah? Go to bed.
Where is it?
It's over in the other room. Huh?
Okay.
You like those shots?
No. Tic Tac suck.
Tic Tacs.
Oh, bed.
Oh. You're not allowed to go out with Josh anymore.
Okay. Oh, bed.
Well, let's go. Jeremy, help him.
You want me to help him?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be able to lift that.
Just guide him. Take off his glasses.
You should be doing this. You're his wife.
Go on, Steve. He's
You wanna go to
he's
bed?
gonna bring you to the bedroom.
Kind of bullshit.
Where are we going?
To the bed.
It's gonna be hot. I'm in bed. What the fuck you doing?
Alright, lay down.
I want to sleep in my clothes.
Steve, you shouldn't sleep with those pants on.
Shut up.
Good night. Look at Abby.
Fuck this. Fucking jerk. What the hell is that? What the fucking light? I can't see. What the light?
All right. Good night.